This is Grayson, and he's been stuck inside for probably at least 30 days and he needs a haircut. So we're gonna give him a high and tight haircut and then a finger length on top. First step, use the number 2 clippers. I'm gonna start at the bottom and work my way to the top and give it a flick, and I might have to go over each spot a couple times. So let's see how this goes. A flick. So the next step is to use the clipper, trying to fade it in up here. One thing I really noticed that I like about this, it has a really nice grip to it, so it just gives you the extra bit of control. So we're trying to just get that line to be as even as possible. So I'd say not too bad for the first time. So now we're on the final step of the haircut, which is trimming up the neckline. So we took the guard off. Just trying to make this nice and even all the way across the back and just kind of raise it up a little bit. And time for the final reveal.
Good.
What do you think?
Good.
One thing that I learned using this is to have a bottle of water to spray on there. That seems to work well. So when you wet the hair down a little bit, it comes up nice and even if you're going to use the scissor to cut it. And then when using the clippers, I say just do it a little bit at a time. Just be patient. You can just keep working your way up. So don't be too aggressive when you start out. So then I think overall